Experience the allure of island living in this captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home along St. Croix South Shore. Embrace the turquoise waters and stunning vistas from your backyard. This residence harmonizes indoor and outdoor living, offering a spacious gallery and bright interiors. Enjoy cooking in the modern kitchen with panoramic sea views. The primary bedroom boasts water vistas and ensuite luxury. Nearby, explore hiking at Jack's Bay and Isaac's Bay, or engage in water sports. Conveniently close to historic Christiansted, and various entertainment options like Grape Tree Hotel, Divvy Casino, Dugan's Reef, and Salt restaurants. This home offers the ultimate tropical lifestyle. Contact David Fidelis, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for all the details on this property.